बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज के अपने इस वीडियो में आप सब के लिए ऐसे लेके आई हूँ। टॉपिक है ऐसे का आवर कॉलेज लाइब्रेरी। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। द वर्ड लाइब्रेरी कम्स फ्रॉम द लैटिन वर्ड liber meaning book. A library is, as everyone knows, a room or building in which a well-arranged collection of books, CDs, newspapers, gramophone records, etc. is kept for reading or reference. Here, all those who wish to enrich their minds with the most valuable human experience are welcome. It is in the library that a student explores the realm of knowledge and develops the feeling of belonging to the whole of mankind. Our college library is not a big one. It has rather a small collection of books, but it meets the requirements of the students. The books have been carefully and wisely selected to create in the students' love for literature and learning. Thus, in spite of the limited number of books, it is of great help to the students. Our library, along with the reading room, is housed in a separate block of the college. The bookcases with glass fronts are placed along the walls. Books on different subjects are systematically arranged in separate bookcases. When you enter the library, you will find on your right bookcase containing books of fiction. A little further are books on travel and adventure. Poetry and drama come next. Classics in simple dark dust covers fill a whole bookcase. Literary criticism follows Shakespeare and Goethe. On the opposite side, there are a dozen bookcases full of scientific books. In other corner of the room, there is a catalog cabinet. In the room attached to a library sits the librarian. One half of the building serves as a reading room of the students. There, the students, when they feel like reading something, sit on chairs placed around a long table full of newspapers, magazines, and illustrated periodicals. I have observed that most of the students read books of fiction and ignore serious books which, if studied, would certainly bring them more profit. Even in fiction, the sentimental novels seem to be more popular. Of course, we do not have a large number of these books. Our teachers help the students in selecting good books. Their natural taste does certainly guide the students to select really good books. This is important, for if one feeds on sensational stuff, one will become for the rest of one's life a helpless addict to such stuff. But perhaps I do not possess enough knowledge to discuss such things. But I know for certain is that I have spent many happy hours in the library and its memory will ever remain with me. What have I gained here? I cannot answer adequately. But one thing I have surely learned: the pleasures of reading are valuable in themselves. The status with which I have been honored today in my educational life owes to our college library. My college library inspired me to get a vast exposure of life through books. It is a pity that these days that students in general ignore the importance of vast exposure through books, as they are often seen engaged in computer games and other futile and overstressing aspects of this man-made machine. Though this is an age of computer, a library plays a vital role in acquiring the sound knowledge of this universe. Quotation: My days among the dead are past. Around me I behold, where these casual eyes are cast, the mighty mind of all. My never-failing friends are they with whom I conserve day by day. उम्मीद करते हैं आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। इसके साथ साथ बेल आइकन के बटन को ज़रूर दबाइएगा ताकि मेरे नए आने वाले वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। मेरी अगली वीडियो आने तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।